Hey there, today is June the 6th, which means it's World Green Roof Day. So why should you care? You know, they say the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Well, I'd say the same. The best time to create a green roof is now. The value of a green, blue and biosolar roofs in 20 years will be much more than it is today. Here is a beautiful example of an intensive green roof with a large variety of trees, plants and shrubs all created on the rooftop. The added environmental impact is obvious. More trees means less carbon dioxide, better stormwater retention, and the added value to your house or commercial building, plus new living areas. This one even has a sauna, which is fantastic. Look, I really hope you enjoyed seeing what was possible, not only for your house, but imagine the cities of the future if we had more green roofs. So let's all celebrate World Green Roof Day and take action by installing a green roof on a building near you. Have a great day.